Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys this resin kit I got. It's super cool. I'll show you everything here it comes with. So this is the first part here. It comes with the, I guess it's NASUBI, and it comes with a crystal clear resin A. And then we have here, we have the part B, which is the hardener. So we have the resin and the hardener. And it comes with a whole bunch of cups. So these are the cups, and you can see on them, it's got the little measuring thing. So basically it's gonna be the equal parts each one. So you can measure it in, I guess, milliliters or ounces or whatever. It really doesn't matter, whatever you hit number. So if you hit 4 on this, you can do 4 on that. So I'll fill it up to 8. It comes with some instructions. And this stuff, I got this one here, it's good because it hardens in about a few hours versus some of the other ones that take days. I mean, it'll take days probably to get super hardened. But basically, got some instructions here on how to do it. Mix it and pour it. We gotta mix it for a few minutes. So it's like, I think 3 to 5 minutes. That's what we did. And then what else we got in here? I'll show you this. I guess this is a scraper to scrape out some of the stuff if you have it multiples in there. Comes with 2 of these little stirring spoons. What else is in here? I think these are just gloves. Let's see. If I can open it, I'll show you what that is. There we go. Oh no, this is just a little a thing to lay out on the ground or whatever, so you don't get a mess. So that's kind of nice, a nice little mini tarp. And then these must be gloves. Let's see. I think it came with gloves. Man, I'm gonna open it. And, oh, I guess this is another tarp. Weird. So maybe it doesn't come with gloves. Yeah, this just folds out. So the white, a clear one, and then a blue one. Maybe you don't need gloves with these. I don't know. I didn't use gloves when I actually tried it a little while ago. So, okay, I guess it comes with the white one and the blue one. But I'm gonna show you guys what the result is, what we did. So me and my son did this. So you see what we did was we got a picture frame, an old crappy frame, took out whatever picture was in there, and then we broke this bottle, which, I don't know, it's some sort of fancy champagne that he likes. And then we placed the pieces and poured the resin, and look how good it is. It really comes out crystal clear. Behind it, the black, we painted it black, but behind it is super rough and everything like that, but it's solid now. I mean, it's not going anywhere, and it even covered the sharp edges, so it's not even pointy anymore. So it's totally cool. So check that out, very nice. And that we just finished yesterday, so you can see it's already dry today. So totally awesome, so thumbs up from me. This is the NASUBI resin, so I like it, thumbs up. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and link for this is in the description. Pick some up.